Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Horizons, your trusted space for career guidance, real job alerts, and scam warnings. Today's video is extremely important for all freshers and job seekers. We are exposing a scam that's falling many candidates using the name like Belina Networks. Many of you have received this type of mail and might be confused whether it's real or fake. So today let's break into the down clearly with real evidence step by step. Please watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe for verified updates and alerts that can save your career. So let's get into the topic. So many of you are getting like this mail regarding the shortlisting mail. You are receiving an official looking mail saying like congratulations, you have been shortlisted for the round 2 at Belina Networks, right? And this is the excited and hopeful mail. We are thinking like it is one of the real one, like right? But this is just the beginning camp. And the step 2 is related to the round 2 test clear. After you complete the online assessment, you will receive another mail like technical interview. You completed the round 3 and technical round, then another mail arrives like we are currently evaluating that in your interview. You will be informed the next steps shortly. And after that, if you will get the round 3 regarding the technical round, you will get the slot. And if you completed the technical round, after few days you will get the mail regarding that offer letter. You finally received the offer letter that is regarding the job offer letter, roles like Java developer, Python developer, and software engineer. After you accept, like if you get the mail regarding the download offer letter, if you get this mail, we think like here this is one of the real, right? And because why we think like this means Python developer at Belina Networks, this is a developer role, right? We think not as it is a fake. After if you accept this offer letter, you will get new mail titled like initiate onboarding formalities. This is where the actual scam starts. They ask you to click on the link, click here to initiate onboarding formalities, and here the following link that is related to the website link. That link takes you to the website claiming to be a Belina Networks. Here now see the 3 steps begins here while going to the website. If we click on this, let's click in this. You will go to the direct website that is related to the step 1. The step 1 is related to the register for PSAP and JSAP certifications. Whatever the role given for you will directly go into the website and give the PSAP or maybe a JSAP, whatever the role is given. And the step 1 is related to the register for PSAP given the role. And step 2 is related to the upload the background documents, and final onboarding. Step 3 is related to the final onboarding. So if we click on the step 1, click here to register for the PSAP. If we click on this means, you'll get the details like name, email address, phone, employer, company name, right? If we click on these details, and you will get the proceed link, and you will get the related to the pay $9 to come for the certifications. Like you are told to they are telling like enter your name and email, phone numbers, and then click on to the proceed. If we click on the details and we finally click on to proceed that, and you will get into the direct website that is related to pay the money $9 for the certifications. This is real scam, and no genuine companies ask for payment after issuing the offer letter. And the document collection scam, next they ask like to upload Aadhaar card. I'll be going to the step 2 related to the verifications. Start your background verifications. If we click on to that, and they ask you to proceed for the verifications, we click into that, and after that I agree the terms conditions. If we click on that, your candidate verification form would be like this, and the details is given like see here: upload Aadhaar card, PAN card, 10 standard mark sheet, and upload university certificates, others 12 standard. All these details will ask. Never ask for money after selection. Use official onboarding portals like Superset, Naukri, or company website, and never pressure for certifications. Respect and protect your personal data. If you are selected for a job, they pay you, not the other way around. You should not pay, they have to pay for you. And this is one of the real scams, so don't fall into that. The entire Belina Networks onboarding process is a scam. It's targeting the freshers, job seekers, final year students, and people urgently looking for the jobs. They play with your trust, don't fall for it. If you support real opportunities and want to help others stay safe, so comment below with a genuine. To stay protected and updated, subscribe to Career Horizon and join our WhatsApp channel group. Link in the description, and I will send the real-time updates and every minute, including the verified job scam alerts. Got any doubts? Drop them in the comments. I am here to help you personally. Share this video with your friends and classmates and colleagues. There are many who are silently getting trapped. So if this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and share it widely, and always stay alert. So subscribe to our channel, subscribe now, and stay safe only with the Career Policies. Thank you.